Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your skin color in Hytale. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. As you can see right here, my skin tone is pretty dark and we would like to change it. All you have to do is to exit and then from here go to quit to main menu. Once you go back to the main menu, all you have to do is to click on my avatar. And then from here, you're going to click on the second option right here. And then from here, you're going to go to the second option again. And as you can see, general body characteristics, and you can choose whatever skin color. So if I choose white, or I can choose pink, or I can choose orange, whatever color you would like. So once you do whatever you choose like, then you can click on save. And that is pretty much it. Now, once you play in any game and you go join your world, it's going to change directly. Just like that, very instantly. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.